Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P through the eyes of emini day trader for Monday, December the 5th, 2011. When we left the market on Friday, it had a pretty good sell-off. This is Friday's action here. This is today's profile. This is what occurred overnight. Every one of these profiles, by the way, this is the lettered market profile. Every profile has a corresponding volume profile, as you can see here. So the day on Friday, we were actually anticipating some follow-through lower. Of course, whenever you're holding it over the weekend, you never know kind of thing. I mean, obviously, other political news, in particular economic news, can come into play. So this was the close on Friday, and we had mentioned that if it could get above 52 to 53, which is right in here, then that would probably flip over and become some pretty good support instead of resistance. And as you can see here, the market overnight opened basically on its low, shot up, took out Friday's high, and then pulled back just a little bit here by the time it opened in the regular trading hours. Now the market did rally up and have some follow through higher early in the session, but then turned around and came all the way down, reaching into the 48, 49 area, and then having a bit of a bounce here. So it did once again close back up above the 52, and we're still looking in that area 52, 53 as potential support. So the market is holding its own within the context of this intraday up auction. After 53, we're looking at the market probably up into around the 63 area. And then to today's high, should that get taken out around 66 or so, then all the way up to around 73. So the market is continuing to move higher, and we also use the profiles, market profiles and volume profiles from the regular trading hours only, and that's what you're looking at here. Here is our software and our trades that were actually set up, and you can see each one as they're set up. The down arrow right here is a short trade. Here's another short trade. We had a cluster of short trades right here. We had a very late long trade here that was never filled. So the short trades here, we were still in the green intraday filter, so we didn't actually take these trades, even though this one, as you can see, here's the entry price on that one. It did fill right here and move a point and a quarter in our favor right away before making a new high. This second short was right here, and it started to fall off quite nicely, came back up and hit the entry before it had that really strong down move. So we did have an attempt to get short right here. We did not get filled. We didn't get filled. You can see this dash line coming across here. We didn't get filled on that short trade until quite a bit later, but as you can see, that had a beautiful fill on it. And that particular trade that was entered right here, as you can see, had an immediate drop from around 58 down to 52. So that trade worked out very nicely. We did have another, by the way, there was another short trade in here. We didn't get filled here. And when the market comes up that close to it, we often will not do it the second time. In this case, it did come up and stop us. On this particular occasion over here, you might be thinking the same thing, but we did have a cluster of them right there, so it was somewhat different. So actually a pretty good day of trading. We still think the up auction is intact. We're going to take a look to see if that market can hold, well, initially above 58 or below 52. That's sort of the line in the sand right now. And if it can rally, then the next level up would be in the 64 area, 66, and then 73, whereas on the downside, we're looking at 49 and then 39. So that's really a look at the market for today. Thanks for watching the video. And any questions or comments, just get a hold of us right here at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing from you. So that'll be it for today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.